action. Hey guys! Can I go? Got permission? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zoisha, and I'm here
with Fuffy or Fluffy. What do you guys call me underneath the comments?
It's Fuffy, okay? Anyway, so we're back. We're gonna do a challenge for you guys today. Everyone's used to this challenge, I know, right? I'm super nervous, but we're gonna do the spicy Korean ramen noodle challenge. Whoa, I never have to go far to find them noodle, yeah, but me find them. This is fire, you guys. There is absolutely no English on this thing except for where it says fire. 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 I don't want it to drop out. Fire, okay? So we put all the stuff inside. There was like, I'll show you guys, you know, what we put inside. And then we're also going to be adding in some Caribbean flavors, vintage West Indian pepper sauce. Pepper sauce. Cause you know, so we are West Indian and we have to, wait, we're West Indian, right? Okay. And I feel like it's maybe like Trinidad and Guyanese to say that, you know? Yeah, exactly. So maybe not. We're Caribbean. So we're gonna put in some more pepper because I don't know. It doesn't really smell peppery, but there's like seeds in here, so I'm thinking pepper. Yeah, like it's really red. So here you go. And
it's like sesame seeds, isn't it?
What kind of seed it is? Why would there need to be sesame seeds?
I don't know, but it looks kind of like sesame seeds.
I don't know. What should we do? A capsule? No, put that in yours. Okay. I put like half of that now. Just give me the residue. So they don't think I'm lying. I put it in, y'all. Oh my god, it's on my finger. And it's yellow. I feel like yellow and green are always like really pepper. I mean, like I like pepper. Want more? No. I don't even know how it tastes.
Here, go on, mix it.
I think it'll be okay.
That's why I feel like we should add more pepper.
I feel like it's gonna be okay.
We don't want it to be okay. The whole point is for it to be fire. Fire! Fire! Fire!
It says fire on this. So okay. Like fire and.
Okay, so we're gonna do this, no water, till we're done.
Put some more?
But then like
Put some more pepper. As much as we want to be alive, we want it to be entertaining. So if I have to
that's the whole
put my
thing.
life on the line
and
for
your,
y'all to
and
be
your toilet
entertained.
in jeopardy.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Shit happens.
Yeah, shit does happen when you flush it. Maybe we should drink the. Do we drink the?
I don't know.
Do we drink the liquid, or do you think that the noodles are pepper though? I think we're gonna have to drink the liquid.
No, we let it settle for a while though, right? Okay, ready? Okay, cheers.
Alright, you guys. Here goes.
Wheel it up.
Don't get pussy. Ready? Get something from the fog. Shit. Ready? Okay. Could be worse. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. So it could be worse. Maybe you gotta drink a liquid.
Oh, you're feeling it? Like I taste it, but it's not so bad. I feel like you should just dab some more of it.
Is it really pepper for you?
I don't think I stirred in the sauce properly.
My nigga, you like sweater. Someone stop.
Stop. Stop!
Is it worth the whole thing? Yeah? it's not that bad. Like, it's not.
It's not that serious. Let me try the liquid. Yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's like.
But I'm used to pepper. I think it's actually pretty decent. Like,
Is it my nose?
You're sweat. You have like sweat on your face.
hey, mine's almost done. I don't know, my belly would actually feel a bit. It's not so bad. It has like a sweet taste to it too, you know? You don't taste it?
Like it's not. It's not.
It's not in my nose, in my mouth. Not recording. I can't have water till I'm done.
Oh, like we have to finish the whole thing. Really?
I don't know if this liquid, but
I'm done.
You're not done.
I'm done.
It's not done. Try this. Ew, gross. It's not so bad. Like it's not. You put the paper in your mouth? Drink milk.
No. Okay.
I feel it a
Guys.
little bit. Gross.
Guys, I'm done. I'm done. Here's what it is. I'm done. Done. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. I'll come more.